Hello everyone, in this video we'll get to know about transform component, what is it, what can we do with it, how we can move things around with this component and a lot more. So if we take a look on this sprite, this is a normal yellow sprite that I made. So it has this transform component, and transform component has three objects in it: position, rotation and scale. So position is where it is placed, rotation is how much it is rotated. For example, if I press E, then we can rotate it. As you can see, the Z value here rotates. It was from the Z axis and from everywhere we can see it is moving, from particularly every axis it is moving. And scale shows us what are its proportion. For example, if it is protruded from the edges, like from the sides or from the from the vertical axis, anything. So back to normal. So if you want to change it, not by using this these scales or this ones or this ones. So let's write some code. We'll create a C# script. Transform. We'll open it. It opens up in VS Code. If you don't know how to use VS Code with Unity, I have a video. I'll put it up in the cards, so make sure you do check it out. So first of all, let's see how to use transform in code. So transform is just uses a 3D vector. A 3D vector, because only 3D vector can only give its position, rotation and scale. So let's first let's see, this is not at 0 0. You can see it is 1.74, 1.15. It is not at 0. So first we will make it at 0. So transform dot position equals, we will make a new vector 3D object, vector 3, and we'll put 0 0 0. Okay, so now if we hit run at the start, if you don't know about start and update, I have also made a video on this, so make sure you check it out also. So what the start does, before the updation of the frames, after we hit play, it runs all the code inside this function. So if we play, we should see our sprite to be at 0 0 0 position. So let's check it. Transform and apply to our sprite, and let's run. Let's see what happens. Now as you can see, I did nothing and the position get back to 0 0. So now you can see our transform function is working. So now as our sprite is in 0 0, let's try to move it. Transform dot position plus new vector 3. Let's move it across the x-axis. So 0.1 f, a very little magnitude, comma 0, comma 0. I think it should be good. So what I'm doing here is taking the transform position, the initial transform, and then adding that at that position I am adding this vector 3 and then storing it inside the transfer position. So for every frame this is been incremented. So after that incrementation the object will move. So let's check it. Finger crossed. Yes, as you can see now it is moving. First it's come to the 0th position 0 0 and then it starts moving. If you don't know how it is happening, then make sure you check my start versus update function video. So position we have understood. So what about rotation? So in rotation we use Euler angles. So transform angles, Euler angles equals transform dot Euler angles plus new vector 3. We will increment it towards the y-axis. So 0, 0.1 f, 0. It will be fine. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. I don't know if you have noticed it or not, but it is being rotated. So like, see it once more. Wait. Rotation. Now see it. See. It is getting rotated. So for clarification, let me increase the speed of rotation. Okay, 1f should be good. 10 times the amount, initial amount. Let me slow the speed. 0.01f. As you can see, it is rotating. Okay, we have completed movement in position, movement in rotation. Now it's time for movement in scale. Transform dot. For scale, we use local scale. Scale equals transform dot. Not Euler angles, local scale plus new. We'll use vector 3 every time because vector 3 is a perfect representation of transform component, because vector 3 can handle position, angles and scaling easily. But like vector 3 is meant for these things. So x-axis we are doing, we did x-axis, we did y-axis. Now it's time for z-axis. So I forgot to tell you that as we are dealing with 2D, the z-axis is not there. It's like does not perform any vital role in this project. So we'll not use z-axis because in 2D there is only x-axis and y-axis. Z-axis is of none use. So we'll use x-axis 1f 0 0. Okay, let's see what happens. weird. Let me pause the rotation and slow down the scaling. As you can see, it is getting scaled up in the x-axis. So I think I have covered everything about transforms, how to use them, what is in transform component, position, rotation, scale, how to play with position, rotation, scale, how to increase them, decrease them, how to code with them, why we use vector 3. So that's it from my side. I think I made everything clear, but still, if you have any doubts, ask me in the comments. I will be very happy to answer them. So goodbye.